Oh no, I'm not puffing that.
It's keyless entry. It's keyless entry and keyless start.
What do?
Put the key down.
And how do you start it though? How do you start it?
That button.
No.
Aye.
Oh, no, this.
The next challenge, starting it.
I've not got a wind.
Once you put the power, once you start it, you can hang with it.
Oh, put it in here.
Aye.
Oh, dear. I'm exhausted. I've done one now. I don't think this goes further. What do you do? Press that.
Aye.
Use it out of gear.
Aye. Read the message. Press clutch and press button to start.
And press clutch.
Aye.
That's my clutch.
Aye. And you hold the button until the car starts. There you go. To go at Nirvana.
I think I'll get back out. This is pathetic. So it is. Now we'll...
Well, take it up and borrow it round and then see if you can park in one of the bays. Bear in mind it's diesel, eh?
Can I go up and...
Aye.
that way?
If you go up and then just borrow it round in a hard circle.
Ah, dear. It's really exhausting, so it is.
You'll probably hate to reverse it a wee bit because you'll probably not make it in the one turn.
Oh no.
Because it's no as big as what the Mandela State is. Oh, you'll make it in one turn. You managed that.
You have to try and park it.
Aye. If you pull back, park it
I'd
in.
rather park it that way.
Well,
'cause
park it there.
I'm better at parking that way. I've enough job if I have to park the other way.
Right.
No.
Right.
How do you see where...
Right. Hold on. Wait. No, that's not the reverse. That's 6th gear, you donut. That's 5th gear, you donut. Reverse is up here.
Reverses. Have I
Lift.
lifted?
Aye. Lift a wee bit. Put it there. Wait a second. There's your rear view reversing camera. So there's your bays. First bay, second bay, third bay, and there's your lines. So you want your 2 green lines to match up with these 2 lines here for the bay behind you.
Right.
So you would do your normal checks,
Do you think...
see if anybody's walking out behind you.
Ah, well, I can't see.
Mind the white lines there show you your the direction of your steering. Right, so now you're going almost straight, but you want to bring the green lines here in line with the 2 white lines for your bay. So you want to bring the steering wheel into your left, because you want to go left into that second bay, don't you?
Into that?
No, Gran. That second bay up here, there's your bay.
So have I got to go further along?
No, if you start reversing, right, hold on. Right, start reversing. See it moving, and there's your bay.
And that's my bay.
Right, so pick a bay and line the 2 green lines up with the white lines on the bay.
Right, so I'll need to go that way.
Aye. There you go, see now the white lines are following it. Turn the steering wheel. And the white lines will show you where you're going to be and where you're going to end up. So your white lines are showing you lining up into the... No, keep it going now.
Still
That's it, aye. Right, start going the other way. Mind there's a wall behind you.
I was going to say, I'm getting kind of near the wall, am I not?
No, you're not.
Because I can't see, I've not got the mirror.
Aye, but look at the camera. There's the wall there.
See, I'm used to looking in the mirror.
Aye,
or
you
in
use your
that
mirrors as
one.
normal and use your the camera for reference to show you how close you're getting to another car.
But I can't see in this.
It's still got to be back because there's the curb. So you're just away from the curb now and no more, and you're nearly at the wall.
Aye, I better stop. Because I'm well in there, I think. No, there's the line over there, but there must be a line about
But
here.
aye, because there's your line there. You're midway.
Oh, midway.
You didn't line it up just right.
No.
Because once you get used to it with your vision and then hang with it, you'll be fine.
I think I need a drink. No tea or coffee.
You didn't drink, that'll be a first.
There's whiskey in the house.
Where's the whiskey like? And how come I didn't know this?
Well, it was actually, I got it for you when you had a cold or something you wanted, and there's only a wee drop out yet. So there is. It was only a wee bottle,
Aye?
and you told me to get the cheapest I could get. I'm sure you
Aye.
wanted a toady.
Uh-huh.
And what-
Okay, well, I'm drinking this weekend.
Right.